One step on the rock, and everything feels lighter. On the path of the gods, life is like this, suspended. Between sky and sea, between history and nature, like a tale carved in stone. The path unfolds, revealing the beauty of the coast. Every turn offers a new glimpse. Every step draws you closer to the essence of this land. Wildflowers brighten the way. The wind carries the scent of the sea. Then, near Agerola, an encounter. A shepherd waits in the mountains. The sound of sheep bells. The call of the crackling fire. As he shares with us an artisanal knowledge as ancient as the gods of the path, time slows down. Cheese takes shape, bread is broken, wine warms both hearts and table. A meal under the open sky, a toast among friends, authentic flavors, stories intertwining, and the sun sinking slowly, bathing the return in gold. For on these paths you walk, you savor, you live. Meraviso, authentic Italian experience.